What are the two most annoying things you can have on a vehicle? First one would be chips, and you can prevent that with paint protection film. The second would be door dings, and those are a lot more harder to prevent because they're typically not caused by you, they're caused by somebody else. So stick around, we're gonna show you how we're gonna fix this door ding on this Volkswagen here. So behind me here is a 2016 Volkswagen GTi. Customer came in with a door ding on the left rear door. So let me take you down there so you can have a look at it. So this is what we're working with here. The ding is right here. Put my light positioned here for you so you can see it. And that's it right there. It's probably about 3 inches long. And it looks like a little bit of a crease. So what we'll do is we'll massage this from the back side to get it out. And the way we're going to do that is access through this port right here. There's a little electrical boot, and we've kind of removed that, and it gives us a nice big hole to put our tool in there, and we'll massage it all out from the back side. Alright, so we knocked that out. I'll spin the camera around here and you can check out the dent that we fixed on this GTi. As you can see, the dent's been completely removed. There's no damage to the paint. I'll pull the light away here so you can see the paint, that the paint's not damaged on here anywhere. As always, we appreciate you checking out our videos. If you have a ding or a dent in your car or maybe some hail damage, swing by the shop, Concourse Auto Salon, 2450. Come check us out. We'll take good care of you.